artists. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a camper. All right, let's get started. We're going to start here and we're going to go around and down. So and I'm going to draw a line here. And then I'm going to draw a circle for the tire. Then I'm going to connect this the best I can, and I'm going to connect this line to this line. Just draw a straight line there. So this is the basic shape of our camper, and we got our circle for our tire right there. Then I'll draw a small little rectangle like this, and half a circle here. Then a little spike right here. Let's make that a little point to connect the trailer to your car or truck. And then we are going to draw a door. Just one door here. It's going to be a rectangle. Just a very simple rectangle. And then I'm going to draw a window. And I'm going to draw a doorknob right here. Then I'm going to do a little design. I'm going to start here and do a line. And then I'm going to do a vertical line down. And I'm going to come up. And draw a line connecting here. Now I'm going to draw the windows. So I'm going to do a window right here. It's going to be a long rectangle, and this one over here is just going to be a square, small square. And I'm going to do a light back here, and that's just going to be an oval. It's got my door, wheel, design on it, a couple windows, a door, and this hook. Now I'm going to finish up the wheel, and I'm going to do another circle inside here. And then I'm going to put a dot like that. Now we've got a few more details to go, and then we are done. So I am going to draw lines in the middle of our windows. Just so that you can open and close them. And then on the door, I'm going to do some little bumps. I'm going to draw a curved line here and a curved line here, and these are the curtains. And then I'm going to do some diagonal lines to show a reflection. I'm gonna draw a little step up here. I just do 2 lines down and 1 across. Then one more just cute little fun detail is I'm gonna add a little banner that hangs across here. So what I do is I just do a curved line from here to the other side, and then I'm gonna do some triangles. Well, some V's really. And that is how you draw a camper. Now we are ready to color. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you had a lot of fun drawing this camper, and you can go to my channel for more drawing videos. Bye!